Hi, so just a quick video on how I did the ends of my pergola. First thing to do is you need to choose a shape. Now I went onto the internet and just googled pergola end shapes. Now I found this on a website, and what I did was I copied the image onto a piece of paper, made it as big as I could on there so I could see them properly because they were quite tiny. Long story short, ended up choosing this shape here. So once I'd chosen that shape, I then got so this is the size of my timber, which is what I call 6x2s, 6 inches by 2 inches, so it's 6 inches deep. So I cut a piece of cardboard that was to 6 inches deep, and then I copied that shape onto the cardboard, and I just made sure that that this dimension here was the same as this dimension here, which was 3 centimeters. Then the way I got, it's like a double curve. Now the way I got the curve was I got the bottom of a tin of 2 litre paint, put the middle at there, and then went round and just did a quarter of the tin of paint. And then once I'd got that, I then just free-handed it a curve like that. Okay, and basically that's how I got that shape. So once I got that shape, transferred this to the end of the piece of timber, like that. Okay, and then I've used a marker pen. Pencil didn't show up very well. So there you go, that transfers that to there. That gives you the shape. And then get yourself a jigsaw and you can just cut that shape out. So you end up with that as your shape. And that's how I did it. Do it on the end of each one. It's a bit rough when you finish it, but just a bit of sanding, and then I shall put some more. We painted these grey, so I should put a bit more paint on there, and they'll be ready to go.